Everybody, and welcome to It's a Love Thing, guys. So my husband is on the grill again. He just cooked for our family day, and he's back on the grill again because I didn't get any hamburgers. You gonna do hot dogs too?
Yeah, hamburgers and hot dogs and probably some Parker House sausage.
You tired of me? Are you tired of barbecuing? I first asked, were you tired of me?
No, grilling is
It's relaxing.
yeah.
They look so good. They eat it too. Silly. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Hot spot. Yep.
You burning my hamburgers.
Yep. Hot spot.
I'm going
That's a hot spot.
It is.
I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, it looks so good though. Is it cooked? Is it? Can I eat it now?
Nope.